Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hammad Shaukat and today I will discuss about another type of essay in IELTS Academic, and the type of essay is discussion essay. So far as discussion essay is concerned, in this type of essay, mostly there are two contrasting views, right? Let me tell you a sample example like our topic. Some people think that the internet provides people with more and better communication possibilities. Others think it brings people fewer and less meaningful connection. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So in this type of question, you can see what's the statement: discuss both views and give your opinion. Wherever this statement comes, you can easily identify this type of essay is discussion essay. Some people thought that, oh, here written as opinion, so this might be an opinion essay, but this is not an opinion essay. This is a contrasting essay, discussion essay. Okay, so you have to discuss the both viewpoints which your statement provides. Like some people think that internet provides people with more and better communication possibilities. Some people think regarding this situation. So this is one viewpoint. The other viewpoint is other thing it brings people fewer and less meaningful connection. But other thought that it makes less connections. So these are two different contrasting views. So you have to discuss both contrasting views in discussion essay. And then last you have to give your small opinion. Okay, first of all you have to discuss both viewpoints regarding the situation in terms of what people think about this side or this side. Then at last you will provide your simple opinion. But whereas there is discuss both views and give your opinion, this is a discussion essay, not an opinion essay. All right. So how many parts you have to write in discussion essay? Now let's discuss that. First one is the introduction. You know that we have to write an introduction. In introduction, you have to write three sentences, almost 50 to 60 words, and three sentences might be the first sentence is regarding journal statement regarding your topic. Then second you have to paraphrase your topic, and the third one is the thesis statement. All right. What should be the thesis statement we will discuss here? You can see how you can say in this essay I will discuss both sides of argument and draw a conclusion. So this is how you can write your thesis statement. Keep learning this statement, right? So first of all you have to journal sentence, like if it's a topic regarding usage of internet, so you have to explain in one line about the usage of internet. Then you have to paraphrase your topic. What your topic is, paraphrasing means just use synonyms instead of topics. Okay. And the next is the thesis statement. This is the thesis statement you have to write in any of the discussion essay. What's this? That in this essay I will discuss both sides of argument and draw conclusion. All right. So this is what you have to do in introduction. You have to write three sentences. The first one general sentence, paraphrasing, and the last is the thesis statement, one line each. Now move on towards the body paragraphs. In discussion essay, there would be three body paragraphs. Keep remember. You can write two, but it's you can say guidance for you to write three paragraphs in your body essay of discussion essay. Whenever you're writing discussion essay, you have to write three paragraphs, right? And if whereas first paragraph is concerned, you have to write one view, means you have to describe one side. Like some people think that internet provides people more and better communication possibilities, so you have to write all the way on this topic in first paragraph. Whereas second paragraph is concerned, you have to now describe your second side, second view. What is mentioned in your topic is other thing it bring people fewer and less meaningful connections. So you have to describe this viewpoint in this paragraph. Okay. And then when you provide both discussions, viewpoints of both the individuals what they thought, then in third paragraph In 1 or 2 lines you can describe your opinion. Right now it's easy for you to give your opinion. First you have to describe one side of you, then second side of you, what people's thought, not your view. In body paragraph 1 and 2 you have to describe what people think regarding that viewpoint, not it demands regarding your viewpoint. Okay, don't write your viewpoint in paragraph 1 or 2. Write people's, individuals, communities' viewpoints regarding this view and this view. Then in your third paragraph, you have to write your opinion. It might be around 1 or 2 lines. That's enough. Okay. Okay. Now move on towards conclusion. The first one, introduction. The second is your body paragraphs, and in body you have to write 3 paragraphs, and last is the conclusion. In conclusion you can again what you can do, let me elaborate you. In conclusion you have to restate the topic in one line, and then restate your opinion. What your opinion gave in paragraph 3, you have to again restate it in one line, just by using synonyms or compound sentences whenever it's easy for you. All right. In body paragraph 3, which I told you to write your opinion, here is a template for you to how you can start your opinion. You can start it in the way like, in my opinion. You can also start like, to my way of thinking, then comma, and you can start your opinion. Also you can start with, as far as I am concerned, right? And in my perspective. So these 4 statements you can start your opinion. So this is how you can write your discussion essay. Okay. So in body paragraph 1 and 2, this 1 and 2 you have to describe one view and the other view. How you can write your body graph 1 and 2? You have to write around 5 sentences. In body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2 you have to write 5 for both sentences for each. Whereas first sentence is concerned, you have to just introduce the first view, like what people thought regarding some peoples have more and better communication possibilities, which internet provides. Have to describe this viewpoint. Then in second line, what you have to do, you have to say some people believe, or you can start with some people argue, because you, as I told you, that you have not mentioned your viewpoint. You have to describe things in terms of third person. Okay, so some people believe, some people argue, some people say. So this is like you can start your first sentence in body paragraph 1 or body paragraph 2 for both. If you use some people believe in one, then use some people argue in your second body paragraph. Okay. Now second sentence for paragraph body 1 and 2 might be, you have to explain your main argument. What is the argument that people's thought? You have to explain that. Third sentence is, you have to give an example. You can start with for example, comma, or you can write for instance, comma, and start. And in last sentence, fourth sentence, you can conclude your viewpoint by using therefore. It is evident that, or therefore. You can use anything. So this is all about how you can write your discussion essay. But keep remember, whenever you are writing discussion essay, keep writing it in present simple tense. Okay, which tense? Present simple tense. Sometimes you can also use present continuous as well as present perfect if you want to make some compound sentences. So definitely you can use, but mostly your discussion essay might be in present simple tense. Sometimes also present perfect continuous you can use. So that's all for today's lecture. Till then, take care. We will describe more types of essay in our upcoming lectures. As you know that there are total 5 types of essays in your IELTS academic discussion essay, which we already go through. In upcoming lecture, we will discuss about opinion essay, which is the second type of essay. The third one is the problem and solution essay, and the fourth one is the advantages and disadvantages essay, and the last one is the double-sided essay. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.